And I am delighted and I'm honored by the presence of so many people today, and I've had a great chat with Devendra. I just want to share with you three things. We are living a dream today for what can be the future of Indian media. And I have come to the campus of IIT Bombay to Mood Indigo to publicly and openly seek your support. We are professional journalists. We don't want to win the media game with money. We don't have money, but we have passion. And over the last 1 week, wherever I have gone from Delhi to Jaipur, I have been overwhelmed by the feedback we've received from people and the support we are receiving even before the formal launch of Republic. I want to thank you for that, and I'm openly seeking your support on 3 counts. I'm seeking your support on count number 1, that is it not time that this country finally gets an independent media? Is it not time? Not the pretenders, not those who say we are independent media but are answerable to film stars and politicians. We want an independent media, and we have proven what we have done in the past. We've taken on the corrupt. We've questioned those who are self-righteous. We've spoken for you. We've challenged those who claim to be VVIPs. And over the work we have done in the last 10 years, we have got your support. Today, the reason I seek your support, number 1, is because in 2016, if this country does not have an independent media, then I don't know when that will happen. I have come here before the birth of the new year to say in 2017, this country will have an independent media, and that independent media will be Republic. And the second reason I've come to you is because I believe in the power of technology. And I know that technology is democratic. And I know today, whether on television or internet or any other way, I know intuitively, nobody can stop me from reaching you. Technology will bring us to you. And if anybody tries to stop us, I know that you are on our side. And so I have come to you to seek your support for a new experiment that is revolutionary in Indian media. And I want to win this battle with you on my side. And the third reason, and this is possible, we must have a presence in global media. Is it not time? If so many of you excel globally in electronics and IT, in banking, in the world of finance, does a country of 1.3 billion people not deserve one footprint in global media? Where are we today? And for how long will we allow the BBCs and the CNNs to define what should be the narrative in global media? In fact, after the Trump victory, I think most of the so-called global media should be hiding their heads and not showing their faces for a long time. And I said this in Moscow last year, Devendra. There was a global forum in Moscow last year where there were the Al Jazeera and BBC guys and all of them. And I said, the hegemony of global media, the hegemony of the Western world in global media has to end. And today from the campus of IIT Bombay, I say that in 2017, the third and most revolutionary experiment will be that the hegemony of global media will be challenged from the soil of India. And lastly, my fourth reason I seek your support is because it is time for the media to openly say that we are biased for the country. A media that is embarrassed to take a stand between India and Pakistan and pretends to be a bridge maker, does not defend the interests of this country, and talks about dreams or what can be, is not a real media. We believe in a media that is openly nationalistic and that holds its pride in the nation. And the fourth reason that I've come to seek your support today is because I think it is time for a media that is for India. And I hope I have your support for that. So, a big thank you to Mood Indigo and to IIT Bombay. You have warmed my heart. And I'm going back with a lot of confidence that somewhere I also have your support. Thank you. We will do our work honestly, unflinchingly. We will open new borders. We will use technology and we will go global. And believe me, it will all going to happen in 2017. Thank you very much. Thank you.